Welcome to lesson 18. In this lesson, we'll go over the eyedropper tool, the measure tool, and the blend tool. So let's start with the first one, the eyedropper tool. Let's make two shapes. Switch the fill, make another shape, and make it green. And make another shape and make it gray. Now if you used Photoshop before, this is pretty simple. We can sample the colors. This is pretty straightforward. Now we have some more advanced options. If you double click, and we can choose what to sample. You can also choose a color from a specific point or average. 3 by 3 or 5 by 5 means a grid made by 3 or 5 by 5 pixels, and they average the colors together. And results will be applied. Okay, the next tool is called the measure tool. Again, this is pretty simple. You click and drag. You can press shift to constrain, and it will show you how many pixels are between two objects. You can see also the angle and so on. There's also this panel called navigator. If you click, you can navigate around. This was not the purpose of this lesson, but there's not much you can do with it, so I will show it this one as well. Okay, let's close the panel and move on to our next part of the lesson, and that is the blend tool. This is a very nice tool. So let's make two shapes here, and a star and a rectangle, and I will illustrate what this tool does. Let's also make it black or dark gray, and this one let's make it blue, and let's change the opacity from here. Let's make it 30. Okay, so we select all of them and we click the blend tool and we drag and drop like this. So click and we click. Then you click again a point and you click a point again. You can move objects with the direct selection tool. And let's see, what do we have here? What we see is the blend tool makes transitions from colors, transparency, and the shape of the objects between two states. So here we got a combination between a star and a circle. Here we got a combination between a circle and a square, but we also got different colors, which is a transition between this gradient and a straight color. So it works with gradients as well. It is pretty simple. Let's double click the blend tool and we can choose several options. One, we can choose how it's oriented, align to path and shows the angle as well, or just leave it to page, which is straight. This is very simple. Then we can choose the spacing. The first default one is smooth color. The next one is specified space. Here we got only one, so only one shape is made, but we can increase it, like this. And there we go, we have a nice transition here. It could be used for posters, so who knows, your imagination is the limit. Then we got the distance, which is similar to steps, but shows the distance between several options. So let's make it 10. You have to enable preview for many things in Illustrator, but this is what we get. We also got, if you go to objects, you got some blend options, like release, And there you go, you have the original shape box. Then you got the blend options, which we already made. We also have reverse spine, which will change the object, but you don't want that now. Then we got reverse front to back. And the last one is called replace spline. Now it's currently disabled because we need a spline. So let's draw a line. This is a spline. So doesn't matter what you want. Draw anything you want. Then select it. Select blend it. And dot object blend replace spline. And voila. We got our shape put in a spline. You can do this as many times as you want. Very nice. That is for now. And see you in the next lesson. Thank you.